I would maintain that thanks are the highest form of thought, and the gratitude is happiness doubled by wonder. The unthankful heart discovers no mercies, but the thankful heart will find in every hour some heavenly blessings. Gratitude is the healthiest of all human emotions. The more you express gratitude for what you have, the more likely you will have even more to express gratitude for. Gratitude is riches, complaint is poverty. Learn to be thankful what you already have, while you pursue all that you want. It's not possible to experience constant euphoria, but if you are grateful, you can find happiness in everything. As we express our gratitude, we must never forget that the highest appreciation is not to utter words, but to live by them. Gratitude can transform common days into thanksgivings, turn routine jobs into joy, and change ordinary opportunities into blessings. Appreciation can make a day, even change a life. Your willingness to put it into words is all that is necessary. Thankfulness is the beginning of gratitude. Gratitude is the completion of thankfulness. Thankfulness may consist merely of words. Gratitude is shown in acts. Enjoy the little things, for one day you may look back and realize they were the big things. Gratitude turns what we have into enough and more. It turns denial into acceptance, chaos into order, confusion into clarity. It makes sense of our past, brings peace for today, and creates a vision for tomorrow. The way to develop the best that is in a person is by appreciation and encouragement. When it comes to life, the critical thing is whether you take things for granted or take them with gratitude. When I started counting my blessings, my whole life turned around. There are only two ways to live your life. One is as though nothing is a miracle. The other is as though everything is a miracle. Reflect upon your present blessings, of which every man has plenty. Not on your past misfortunes, of which all men have some. There is something that happens when you are grateful. You continue to keep receiving blessings. So, I will always be grateful.